Okay. I don't know if I have enough data to get the picture of this. Something comes up here and puts big loads of soft, nasty, stinky poop. That's not baby. And this is the second pile. The first pile I saw was before we closed when I came up here and I put Richard's wind chime from Celeste out front there. The nice thing about this nasty crap is these here roly-polies. I got my glasses on, but I see something moving. Something moving. There it is. There it is. These nasty bugs. There's another one. They come. Them roly-poly things. Ooh. And they take this crap and roll it in balls and relocate it. Take it somewhere. It stinks to high heaven. It stinks like crazy. And I seen it over on the over on the other side of the side of the place here. But now it's right out by our back door, right out here by the back door. We can step out. Me and baby stepped out and look over here. Damn, boom. We're right here. I can still smell it over here. And oh my God. Oh my God, what the hell? Is that a human being? Is that a fox? What the hell poops like that? But anyway, the good thing is, like I said, when I went back over there the other time, that pal is gone now, totally gone. So these bugs, these nasty, stinky bugs, whatever they are, they come and they take the crap away, man, because there's nothing left on the other side from last week, from what I had seen there last week. It's gone. That pal disappeared. They took it. One ball at a time. And I looked, the whole pal is gone, disappeared. And so now they're working on this new pile. And I don't know if I know I'm going to get rid of this. I know I'm going to put a new thing there, a new mat. So I'm going back in the back way. Phew, baby's died up in front. Oh, I am going to get the busy. The adjuster says she'll be out here in maybe about an hour to check on Susie Q. And I got bit. Look, I'm constantly bringing stuff in, bringing it in. Ain't got time to really organize yet, but bring in, take out back, reusing bags and boxes, plastic containers. I don't hardly use. I use the plastic tubs a lot. I don't use a lot of cardboard boxes for moving. Okay, so I wanna. Where did I put? Okay, I did not put it in here. My magic hose. I think I took it, in my bathroom. I want to keep track of it. I don't want Richard. Oh, I don't want this light to still be on here. Thank you. Okay, so maybe I should unlock this here because it's easy while a baby and I up. Yeah, go in and out that way so I don't have to really mess with the front door too much right now. I don't need this light on in here because this front door, I almost have it barricaded. I have that rug up there because there's gap all the way from top all the way to the bottom. You can see a little light coming through here. And part of this is it's not all the way, this part right here from the lock, from this lock down, still see it's a gap, but it gets smaller, and opens up again down there. Well, the bad part about all that, of course, until I can put tape and seal and all that around there, bugs get in. Oh Lord, I forgot. Went back there. I know I left my hose, right? In my bathroom. And I Came back here, turned off the light. Got to get the hose. This is what I want. I'm gonna do some little bit of work.